been for quite some years in the industry. In a typical production line, in an industrial production line, would have probably 3 to 4 different products for 24 hours. So it would be kind of simple process, maybe with a few ingredients only. Today, the world has changed. So we have to feel consumer needs. And to feel consumer needs, we have to listen to the customer. And then we get insights and understand that the consumer is going to need much more variety. And then we have to produce today like 20 different SKUs every day, 20 different formulations, etc. And that adds a lot of challenges for the equipment manufacturers, for the ingredient manufacturers, so we can run the lines efficiently with less changeovers, with better throughput, with better quality, and in a few words, with very less variation. And that's what it's about. I mean, reducing variation in the process is going to help us control the process, and it's going to take us to less waste, better quality. It's as simple as that, but it's very easy to say. It's not that easy to do, especially real time.